What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I know that we've been what do you call it, we've been MIA for a little while, but guess what, we finally got the limited back. Called with the wrap, and this is the guy who made the wrap. For y'all who don't remember, these are our sponsors, F1 Firearms, that's us, channel Shipyard, and then everybody else, Carolyn, Cassell, JDUBB, Graphicz. Y'all can check this out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Yeah, this is what she looks like. What y'all think? You think she looks good? I like the way she turned out. Had red bumpers. Painted the engine block red, the head's black. Just did that the other day. And this will be our first time out with the car. We got a new shock builder now, so we'll see what the shocks are all about, because we didn't have race shocks before. We had O'Reilly's shocks, and I mean, they worked fine for us, but we'll see what all the hype's about, see if they're worth it or not. And what else? There's something else I was going to tell y'all guys about. Oh, we also changed some stuff on the setup. Well, yeah, we changed a lot of things on the setup, so we'll see what it does tonight. It's either gonna do really good or really bad. Hopefully we can keep her clean. Hopefully we'll see what she looks like by the end of the day. So I figured I'd get some videos. I told the photographer to take some pictures. The crew chief's ready to be in victory lane.
I'm ready.
We got dude here with us tonight, and my dad. I think Neida and everybody else are coming here in a little bit. But yeah, guys, so let me know what y'all think. Drop it in the comments. Check her out. Do one more walk around real quick. Got done here a little. Yes, sir. But yeah, so we just got done with
that you want him to do you so much you could do anything.
So we just got done with hot laps. Car felt good. We're gonna see what it does right now during the heat. We're gonna what else were we gonna do? We changed a few things, nothing crazy, because like I said, it felt pretty good, really good. And yeah, so we're gonna keep testing it out and see what happens tonight. We already did some other things. They have a red flag right now, so we just got a few more minutes, and I'm gonna turn the in-car camera on for y'all, and we're gonna turn the in-car camera on, and then we got, you know, from the stands. But we'll pick back up with y'all here in a little while.
You know, some people are asking about the reef down here. Our friend Ron, and I think his last name's Reynolds. I don't know if somebody can correct me, but he passed away. And Ron has been around racing ever since Moby Dick was real little. Paul, what's in the car's number? Oh, it's the 75 limited modified. What's it modified? Thank you. F1 Firearms. F1 Firearms. Where are they located? In Spring, Texas.
You're welcome.
Oh, so how long have you been racing?
Last year was my rookie year. This is my second year.
All right. Tell me your name real quick.
My name is Matthew Cassell. Y'all can subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch all the races that I go to. It's CRT Motorsports.
All right. So Magic Cassell from F1 Firearms up here passing out hats. She's got a lady here. She's a hat chunker. I tell you, she's got some skills when it comes to chunking hats.
Hey, Rowena, you're a hat chucker now.
There you go. That's a good-looking hat. It fits you. It fits you.
I got a bunch of stickers.
These hats.
Up and around, we're winding up here right here as we get them tangled up right here, the TNT machine.
Well guys, that lasted an entire lap. Check it out. First lap. Got the deck back here a little bit. It's all wavy. Got the spoiler. Got all this right here. And then that down there. Bowed this up. Broke the little tab back there. See, I don't know if you can see it wobbling, but broke that off. But besides that, car wasn't the best. It was just, you know, skating around everywhere. And yeah, felt too light in the rear. So we made some changes. We're gonna see what happens to the feature. Hopefully it's better than the heat, because that was not the best for us. And we'll see what happens. It's pretty late right now. I don't know what time it is. They had something happen earlier. They had to take somebody to the hospital. But yeah, so we've already made the changes. We put gas in the car. We're getting ready. We're starting 12th on the outside in the feature. So we'll see what happens, and we'll get y'all some in-car footage, and we'll talk to y'all here in a little while.